Hi, I'm Becca from Assay Genie. Today, I'm going to talk to you about our plate reader-based fatty acid oxidation assay. Fatty acids provide more AT per carbon than carbohydrates, such as glucose. In tissues with high energy requirements, such as heart tissue, up to 50 to 70% of energy comes from fatty acid beta-oxidation, which converts fatty acids to acetyl-CoA with concomitant production of FADH2 and NADH in the mitochondria. The Assay Genie Fatty Acid Oxidation Assay Kit is a highly sensitive colorimetric kit for the quantitative measurement of fatty acid oxidation in cells and tissues. This unique assay utilizes a highly soluble Octanoyl-CoA substrate, which enables the accurate measurement of fatty acid oxidation versus longer-chain, less soluble substrates such as the 18C unsaturated fatty acid oleate. In this example, lysates were prepared from healthy hamster hearts and the hearts of the 202 hamster model, which is associated with heart failure. Lysates were used in the assay and the levels of fatty acid oxidation were quantified. To find out more and other key technologies at Assay Genie, you can find us online at www.assaygenie.com or on any major social platform such as LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter.